Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our newest comedian, Fred Ponser. If you don't like his performance, feel free to say, "Shut up." You can also yell, "Keep it up," if you want to praise him.
We are an ETC project team Kotodama Fruit Juice, and this semester we were working on an interactive story in the field of speech recognition. In 15 weeks, we created an emotive experience where words players say are really meaningful to the game, while avoiding current technology limitations.
Hey folks, how's everyone doing tonight? I'm Fred. I'm gonna need a volunteer for the show tonight. We're gonna play a little game I like to call Fake Psychic. You tell me about yourself, and I'll tell you about your future. You there, with the plastic crap on your head. Can you help me out for a few minutes?
Sure.
In our experience, we have our comedian Fred on the stage, performing his show. You, our guest, are one of the audience members. You can praise him or heckle him anytime you want, and he will react to those actions not only in his words, but also in his body postures and facial expressions.
I moved to Pittsburgh after a... Look, I don't come to where you work and tell you how to scrub toilets. Shut up!
You shut up! He also directs you questions. We build our grammar such a way that Fred's responses to your responses feel natural.
Okay, this one's just a warm-up. Where are you from, Jello?
Mars.
Mars? No shit! Do other people know that you exist? Shouldn't some scientists have dissected you by now?
I tried to see if I could come up with a difficult, thing that he might not have in his database.
Oh yeah.
I mean, wow, you guys recorded everything.
The technology we're using are Microsoft Speech API for voice recognition, along with the Oculus Rift to create a more immersive experience for our players. And although speech recognition technology has come a long way from where it began, it's still not a solved problem. But instead of ignoring those limitations, we decided to embrace them and make our design decisions around them.
What was your favorite subject in school, Jello?
Science.
I liked science, but science didn't really like me.
This experience has to be emotive, so the expressive animations are a big part. Fred has body and facial rigging so that we could make some cool animations for him. The good thing is we also use comedians and actors as references. Our story happens in a club, so we try to make the atmosphere match. The audience, lights, and other assets are all made according to the realistic clubs.
What was your favorite subject in school, Jello?
English.
English class. That's where I learned to express my big heart. I wouldn't be here tonight if it wasn't for my English class. So now you know who you can blame.
So over the last 4 months, we've explored the nooks and crannies of what makes a real relationship so magical. Not just through speech, but through body language, content, and tone. We invite you all to come down to the Entertainment Technology Center to interact with Fred and see what it's like to explore his weird, wonderful world.